So guys, if you want to get a raw file for this image so that you can use to practice and improve your retouching and collaborating in general, go to your browser and Google Slammy photography, or you can use the URL www.slammyphotography.com. Come to the product section. Right in the product section, you scroll down, you can see we have some packages here that premium, and they are very cheap, $10 or so. But if you come down, you see the free products here. It's a free raw file. We use this for a challenge, and you can see some free lots and free presets and free actions, free islands, and all that. Then you come here to this free raw file, you click on it. When you click on get package, it requires you to put in your name, your email address, and your phone number. After putting this information, as you see, you can close this panel and click on the download button to begin download. If you click on OK, you just close this panel here. Now when you click on the download button, I see this download one. You click on it and I see that the package is downloaded. So that's all you need to do.